Yes, responsible mining. It will create livelihood and income to the people. The world needs copper and gold.
Ginulawan ni ginabuang Bulawan.
Faith, responsibility, and joy.
We are contingent number 3. Ginulawan Festival of Quezon City.
Kilikila na ang mga bato, hindi ko man palaha. Ako ka na inyo.
To our judges of the report program. The rules are clear. During the mayor's message, which is equivalent to 1 minute, that also means that all contingents have the same 1 minute ingress. It is unfortunate that by the time the 60 seconds were over, the props and some dancers have not been able to come in. Isinggit mo balik. It's not as easy as that. Sa yung karaniwang yung audience, gusto mo makakita. But we have a brand new set of judges. They have to understand that there are very technical rules to this competition. Now that our judges will understand this and will therefore put in the necessary deductions for the sake of the audience, unless di mo gusto, kung ganun ka rin, na hindi gusto, kaysa ba yung diha. The rules cannot be bent. What tayo paboran, what tayo Now, kung nahilong na mo diha ko sa taas, kaya kung di ko muhilong, Unang mo tani. I have already said that the performers and the props were not able to come in within the 60-second ingress. Kaya nagsinggit man mo balik. Mo I have to let the panel of judges understand kay dili ni ang daan nato nga naandan ng mga judges. They are watching the Pasigarbo for the very first time. It is unfortunate wa tuod ka mag-technical glitch kamo na hinuoy ni singgit og balik. Mo nang naundang na ni. Pues, with the necessary deductions, I ask Toledo City to please put yourselves in the proper places. This is just for the benefit of the audience, but understand that there will have to be the necessary deductions. Why, Kusinta? Agree mo?